Welcome to our video on the 8 best foods to prevent bowel cancer and colon polyps. As someone who's had his fair share of health scares, I know how important it is to take care of your body. And one thing you definitely don't want to mess around with is bowel cancer and colon polyps. Did you know that bowel cancer is the third most common cancer in the world, with over 1.8 million new cases diagnosed every year? And while it's often treatable when caught early, it can also be deadly if it's not detected until later stages. That's why it's so important to take preventative measures like eating a healthy diet. Colon polyps, on the other hand, are small growths that can develop in the lining of the colon. While most polyps are benign, some can turn into cancer over time. In fact, colon polyps are a known precursor to bowel cancer. So if you can prevent polyps, you may also be able to prevent the more serious disease. But before we start our countdown, can you please do us a favor and like this video to help us reach more people? Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be the first to know when our latest video comes out. Now, back to our video. The good news is, there are certain foods you can eat that have been shown to help prevent both bowel cancer and colon polyps. These foods contain nutrients and compounds that have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, and they can help protect your colon from damage. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 8 foods that should be on your shopping list if you want to keep your colon healthy and cancer-free. At number 8, cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and kale are packed with nutrients that can help protect your colon from cancer and polyps. According to a study published in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute, people who ate more cruciferous vegetables had a lower risk of colon polyps. The researchers believe that compounds in these veggies called glucosinolates may be responsible for the protective effect. Glucosinolates are a group of sulfur-containing compounds found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, kale, and cabbage. When these vegetables are chopped, chewed, or otherwise broken down, glucosinolates are transformed into bioactive compounds, like isothiocyanates, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Studies have found that consuming cruciferous vegetables that are high in glucosinolates can help protect against colon cancer and colon polyps. For example, a study published in the journal Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers and Prevention found that people who ate more cruciferous vegetables had a lower risk of colon cancer. Additionally, a study in the Journal of the National Cancer Institute found that people who ate more broccoli specifically had a lower risk of colon polyps. One reason glucosinolates may be protective is because they can help boost the body's natural defenses against cancer. They've been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and can help induce the body's natural detoxification pathways, which can help rid the body of harmful toxins that can contribute to cancer. So, if you're looking to protect your colon, be sure to incorporate plenty of cruciferous vegetables into your diet. One tasty option is to roast them with some olive oil and garlic. You could also try making a stir-fry with broccoli, cabbage, and some lean protein like chicken or tofu. And if you're feeling adventurous, you could even try making kale chips by roasting the leaves with a sprinkle of sea salt. Additionally, you can try roasting some broccoli with garlic and lemon, or making a kale salad with some roasted sweet potato. You can also saute some Brussels sprouts with bacon and balsamic vinegar. Your colon and your taste buds will thank you. Next up, we've got whole grains. Research has found that people who eat more whole grains have a lower risk of colon cancer. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat pasta are all great options. One reason whole grains may be protective is because they're high in fiber. Fiber helps keep your digestive system running smoothly and can also help prevent inflammation, which is a risk factor for colon cancer. It is an important nutrient that can have numerous health benefits. Whole grains in particular are a good source of fiber, as well as other nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. There are a few different ways that the fiber in whole grains can help protect against colon cancer and polyps. First, fiber can help promote regular bowel movements, which can help reduce the amount of time that carcinogenic compounds spend in contact with the colon lining. This, in turn, can help reduce the risk of damage to the colon cells, which can contribute to the development of cancer or polyps. In addition, fiber can help feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, which can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. This, in turn, can help support the immune system and reduce inflammation in the colon, both of which can be protective against cancer. Several studies have found that consuming whole grains can help protect against colon cancer and colon polyps. For example, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate more whole grains had a lower risk of colon cancer. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who ate more whole grains had a lower risk of colon polyps. So, if you're looking to protect your colon, be sure to incorporate plenty of whole grains into your diet. Try swapping out white rice or bread for brown rice or whole wheat bread, or experiment with different grains like quinoa, farro, or barley. You could also try making a quinoa salad with some roasted veggies and a light dressing, or cooking up a batch of oatmeal for breakfast. Moving on to our countdown is number 6, berries. Berries are another great option for keeping your colon healthy. They're packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage, including the kind that can lead to cancer. One study even found that eating strawberries specifically was associated with a lower risk of colon cancer. Strawberries are a delicious and nutritious fruit that has been shown to have a protective effect against colon cancer and colon polyps. Researchers believe that the high levels of vitamin C and anthocyanins in strawberries may be responsible for this protective effect. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of cancer. Vitamin C can help neutralize these free radicals and protect cells from damage. Anthocyanins are a type of flavonoid that give fruits and vegetables their vibrant colors. They've been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and may also have other health benefits, like improving heart health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Several studies have found that consuming strawberries can help protect against colon cancer and colon polyps. For example, a study published in the journal Food and Function found that feeding mice freeze-dried strawberry powder reduced the number and size of colon tumors. Another study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming strawberries for 6 months reduced the size and number of colon polyps in people with familial adenomatous polyposis or FAP, a genetic condition that increases the risk of colon cancer. So, if you're looking to protect your colon, be sure to add some strawberries to your diet. Try slicing them up and adding them to oatmeal or yogurt, blending them into a smoothie, or even baking them into a healthy dessert. You could also try topping your morning oatmeal with some fresh raspberries, or making a mixed berry salad with some spinach and a balsamic vinaigrette. Next on our list is number 5, garlic. Garlic is a flavorful and nutritious food that has been shown to have a protective effect against colon cancer and colon polyps. A study in the journal Nutrition and Cancer found that people who ate more garlic had a lower risk of colon cancer. One reason garlic may be protective is because it contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a risk factor for colon cancer, so anything that can help reduce it is a good thing. Allicin is a sulfur-containing compound that is produced when garlic is chopped, crushed, or chewed. Allicin has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It may also have anti-cancer effects, including the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce cell death. Several studies have found that consuming garlic can help protect against colon cancer and colon polyps. For example, a study published in the journal Nutrition and Cancer found that people who ate more garlic had a lower risk of colon cancer. Another study published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention found that people who consumed raw garlic had a lower risk of developing colon polyps. There are a number of ways to incorporate more garlic into your diet. Try adding chopped garlic to stir-fries, pasta sauces, or roasted vegetables, or making a garlic-infused olive oil for dipping bread or drizzling on salads. Just be sure to let the garlic sit for a few minutes after chopping or crushing it to allow the allicin to form before cooking or consuming it, as heat can destroy the compound. Another easy way to incorporate garlic into your diet is to make some garlic hummus by blending chickpeas, garlic, lemon juice, and tahini in a food processor. Moving on to our list of the 8 best foods to prevent bowel cancer and colon polyps is number 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect against colon cancer. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can contribute to the development of cancer by promoting cell growth and suppressing the immune system. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, which may help prevent the development of cancer. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids may also help slow the growth of cancer cells by inhibiting the formation of new blood vessels. Cancer cells need a steady supply of blood to grow and spread, and omega-3s can help prevent the formation of these blood vessels, which can slow or stop the growth of cancer cells. Several studies have found that consuming fatty fish or taking omega-3 supplements can help reduce the risk of colon cancer and colon polyps. A study published in the journal Gut found that people who consumed the most fatty fish had a 12% lower risk of developing colon cancer than those who consumed the least. Another study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that taking omega-3 supplements reduced the risk of developing colon polyps. So, if you're looking to incorporate more omega-3s into your diet, try adding fatty fish to your meals a few times a week. One delicious option is to grill or bake a salmon fillet and serve it with some roasted veggies on the side. You can also serve it with a side of brown rice or quinoa. You could also try making a tuna salad with some avocado mayo and chopped veggies, or adding some smoked salmon to your morning omelet. If you're not a fan of fish, you can also try incorporating other sources of omega-3s into your diet, such as flaxseed, chia seeds, or walnuts, or taking an omega-3 supplement to help ensure you're getting enough of these beneficial fatty acids. Next on our list is number 3, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are another great option for keeping your colon healthy. They're rich in fiber, healthy fats, and other nutrients that can help protect against colon cancer. In one study published in the journal Nutrients, researchers found that people who ate more nuts and seeds had a lower risk of colon cancer. Flax seeds are a great source of fiber, lignans, and omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have a number of health benefits. One study published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research found that consuming ground flaxseed daily for 4 weeks reduced the number and size of precancerous polyps in the colon in people with a high risk of developing colon cancer. Another study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology found that consuming flaxseed reduced the number of polyps in the colon in people with a history of colon cancer. The fiber in flax seeds helps promote regular bowel movements, which can help prevent the buildup of waste and toxins in the colon that can contribute to the development of colon polyps. The lignans in flax seeds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that may also help prevent the development of cancer. In addition, the omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds can help reduce inflammation and slow the growth of cancer cells. To incorporate flax seeds into your diet, try adding a tablespoon or 2 of ground flax seeds to your oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt. You can also use flaxseed meal as a substitute for eggs in baked goods, or sprinkle it on top of salads or roasted vegetables. Just be sure to store the flax seeds in the refrigerator or freezer to prevent them from going rancid. And of course, a great option to add nuts and seeds to your diet is by making a trail mix. You could also try making homemade almond butter by blending roasted almonds in a food processor and adding a touch of honey for sweetness. Next on our list is number 2, leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, arugula, and Swiss chard are packed with nutrients that can help keep your colon healthy. They're high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties as well. In one study published in the journal Nutrients, researchers found that people who ate more leafy greens had a lower risk of colon cancer. In another study, researchers found that consuming spinach specifically could help reduce the risk of colon polyps. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with nutrients and has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including the ability to help prevent colon cancer and colon polyps. Just like the other leafy greens on our list, spinach is a good source of fiber, which can help promote regular bowel movements and prevent the buildup of waste and toxins in the colon that can contribute to the development of colon polyps. In addition, spinach is rich in antioxidants such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which can help protect the cells in the colon from damage caused by free radicals. Spinach also contains a variety of other nutrients that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties, such as folate, magnesium, and chlorophyll. Folate is a B vitamin that plays a key role in DNA synthesis and repair, and studies have shown that a diet high in folate may help reduce the risk of colon cancer. Magnesium is a mineral that is important for a variety of cellular processes, and studies have suggested that a diet high in magnesium may help reduce the risk of colon cancer. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants, has been shown to have anti-cancer properties by blocking the absorption of carcinogens in the digestive tract. A study published in the International Journal of Cancer found that people who consumed leafy green vegetables, including spinach, had a lower risk of developing colon cancer compared to those who don't. So, how can you incorporate more leafy greens into your diet? One delicious option is to make a spinach salad with some grilled chicken, goat cheese, and a balsamic vinaigrette. You could also try sautéing some Swiss chard with garlic and olive oil, or adding some arugula to your morning smoothie. Add spinach to salads and soups, or sauté it with garlic and olive oil as a side dish. You can also add it to omelets or frittatas, and can also be used as a base for pesto or as a filling for wraps and sandwiches. Last but not least, we've got turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. A study in the journal Cancer Prevention Research found that it could help prevent colon cancer. One reason turmeric may be protective is because it contains a bright yellow compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies have shown that curcumin can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, which is programmed cell death. A study published in the journal Cancer Prevention Research found that curcumin reduced the number and size of polyps in the colon in people with a high risk of developing colon cancer. Another study published in the journal Clinical Gastroenterology and Hepatology found that curcumin reduced inflammation in the colon and decreased the number of polyps in people with a history of colon cancer. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body, but consuming black pepper along with turmeric can increase its bioavailability. One study published in Planta Medica found that piperine, the active ingredient in black pepper, increased the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. To incorporate more turmeric into your diet, try adding it to curries, soups, or stir-fry dishes. Another tasty option is adding some turmeric to your morning smoothie. You can also make golden milk by combining turmeric with almond milk, honey, and spices like cinnamon and ginger. However, it is important to note that consuming large amounts of turmeric may cause gastrointestinal side effects, and it may interact with certain medications. As always, it is best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or taking supplements. So there you have it. 8 foods that can help you prevent bowel cancer and colon polyps. Which one do you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. Of course, there's no magic bullet when it comes to cancer prevention. And it's important to keep in mind that a healthy diet is just one aspect of a lifestyle that can help reduce your risk of colon cancer and colon polyps. Regular exercise, maintaining a healthy weight, and not smoking are also important factors that can contribute to a healthy colon. However, incorporating these 8 foods into your diet can be a great place to start. They're all rich in nutrients and compounds that have been shown to have a protective effect on the colon. From the fiber in whole grains to the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, these foods can work together to keep your colon healthy and reduce your risk of developing cancer or polyps. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before making any major changes to your diet or lifestyle. They can help you develop a plan that's right for you and ensure that you're getting all the nutrients you need to stay healthy. So be sure to add some cruciferous veggies, whole grains, berries, garlic, fatty fish, nuts and seeds, leafy greens, and turmeric to your next grocery list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more healthy natural remedies. Also, please share the video on social media to help us reach more people. Thanks for watching, and we hope you're having a healthy and happy day.